Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Hey guys, and welcome to the KDF channel.
Where we challenge each other at the ultimate.
And right here we have Ahmed Danish and myself Fareed.
Nice. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do the never have I ever challenge. So in this challenge, this is basically simple challenge. We are going to ask a series of questions, 7 to be particular, and we can just say yes, yes or no according to what we get. I mean what we did or not. So let's see who's the most innocent one right here. I bet he's not.
Yeah, I also.
I can bet my money he's not the most
Okay.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
innocent.
Let's see.
Okay. So the first question: never have I ever cheated on a partner. Okay. Never. No one has ever cheated on a partner.
Yes.
Why do I feel like that?
Never.
Never have I ever gone skinny dipping. I'm too shy to do that.
Yeah, I too.
I
Okay.
too.
So the third question is: never have I ever faked sick from work, school, college, / etc.
Yes.
I have never done that. I like going to school because I get to meet my friends.
This is
Okay,
not true.
it is true.
It is not true.
I have never faked it. My mother is like, you can stay home if you're feeling sick. So even if I am feeling a little bit of headache, I stay home. So, let's see.
Okay, no problem.
Never have I ever marched a protest. Okay, there was the Jamia protest today. I mean, not today, like a month ago. So I have been there twice or thrice. We both went together, so that makes sense. So, never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office fridge. So we don't go to office, but
Never.
I have eaten my brother's snacks from the fridge.
Never.
So I'm not the most innocent one, I guess. Never have I ever played strip poker.
Never.
I don't even know how to play poker. Never have I ever peed in the pool. Because I have done that.
Never.
I was sure.
Oh.
Why am I only being honest here?
I'm putting.
I did it.
Next
You've
one.
never been?
I will not
Okay,
go to
yeah.
water park.
Okay, I've been to a water park and I've been to a pool and I've done that. It's tasty. Okay. Never have I ever tried hard drugs.
Never.
Never.
Oh yes.
You know someone who does. Never have I ever fallen asleep in public. Okay, I have done that many times. I have fallen
I
asleep
have.
in public so many times.
I have.
I have fallen asleep while class.
Yes.
We have done that. Okay, never have I ever fallen asleep at work.
No, never.
Yep, we did once. That's a funny story. So we were waiting for an export, the director over here and I were waiting for an export and we slept for 1 hour because the internet was slow. But okay, never have I ever dialed my ex. Never.
What?
Dialed my ex. Got high and dialed your ex.
Never.
So these questions are so adult. Why are you doing it? Never have I ever. Okay, I'm not going to ask that question.
Yeah. Skip.
Skip this question.
Never have I ever read a partner's text message. No.
No.
Never have I ever sang in public. Okay, I've done that many times.
Yes.
But you don't sing at all. So what's the thing with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so the question number 14 is: never have I ever had chicken pox. Never.
Never.
Okay, so we all haven't had chicken pox.
No.
I've heard that if you haven't had chicken pox, you are going to have once in your life.
Yes.
I don't want that to happen.
Also,
I don't want to.
yes.
Never have I ever lied to my best friend.
Yes, yes.
Never.
Okay, you haven't lied to your best friend.
No, I think that is not true.
Okay, I have lied to
My
my
best
best
friends
friend.
are my best friends are so creepy.
Never have I ever had a road rage. Okay, I have a road rage. Means getting angry while driving.
Yes.
Okay, we both have road rage problems. Okay, you also get mad when someone cuts your way while driving.
Yes.
No, not
Yes.
not,
Yeah. Okay. He also has.
not enough.
The cameraman can attest to that. He has road rage, doesn't he? He also get angry when someone cuts his
We
way.
use cuss word.
Yeah, okay. Sometime.
Never have I ever cut in line on purpose. Okay, I have never done that.
Hmm? Means
Means getting in between the lines by getting help of a friend. I
never.
have never done that. I don't have the balls to do that.
Okay.
Okay, never have I ever ruined someone else's vacation. Okay, no. We don't go on vacation so much, so I have never got the chance to do that. Never have I ever been away for 24 hours straight or more. Okay, I have been awake for 24 hours straight.
Okay.
Really?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah,
But
I have done that. And trust me, it's not pleasant.
It's hard for me.
it's me too.
Never have I ever snooped through a friend's rooms, cabinets, or property. Never. I have never looked into someone else's stuff. I
Yes.
don't do that.
Never.
No. Never.
Another one.
Another one. Never have I ever eaten food that broke the 5-second rule. Mean 5-second rule is when you drop food on the ground, just quickly pick it up and eat it.
Never.
I don't do that. I wasn't born to do that. My dad would kill me if I do that. Never have I ever blamed a fart on a pet. We don't have pet.
Yes.
Neither of us have pet.
Bed?
Pet means
Pet,
dog or a cat.
I.
Okay, he has pet. Okay, let's see.
What
Never.
about Flappy?
Huh?
Or
Snoopy bird eat the Snoopy. The bird doesn't fart.
Yes. I think
okay.
The bird doesn't fart. How am I going to blame it? Shit. Never have I ever googled someone before a date.
Never.
Never.
Date?
Yeah. I've been on dates.
We don't
I've
need
never- We don't need to.
yeah.
The
We're
people we
confident.
date aren't that famous. At least not as much as we are right now.
Yes.
Never have I ever re-gifted something. Okay, I have never done that. I don't get
I have
gifts.
never done that.
The cameraman says he has. Never have I ever crashed a party or wedding. No.
Never.
Okay, I have. I went with him somewhere to a party, remember? When I wasn't allowed. I have done that.
But I never.
Never.
Never have I ever gotten or given a hickey.
Never.
Hickey.
Hickey? Why do you get
Hickey.
Oh.
Okay, the last one right now. Never have I ever. What?
What?
Never have I even seen someone die. I have. I mean, what do you mean by seen someone die? Seen a dead body or see someone die?
I think dead body.
Dead body.
Not dead body. So I have no die on the spot. I have-
Dying? Not
Okay, I have seen that actually.
dying.
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 Someone like dying right in front of you.
No.
I have seen that.
Oh, no.
Who?
I'm not going to say that on camera.
I have seen many times.
So last question. Never have I ever run for my life. Okay, I have run from my life from dogs.
Run.
Twice.
I think.
Have any animal or someone ran after you?
My teacher.
He's my teacher. Okay. So I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
And you can also view our Instagram. Links will be down in the description below.
And you can also see on display usernames.
Yep. And
And stay in touch for the next
until
video.
next time, bye. Okay,
Who's the
sorry
winner?
about that.
Who's the
We
winner?
forgot to announce the winners. Please announce the winner.
The winner is Farid.
Congratulations. Cap wala bhai is the
Cap wala
winner. Okay, so thank you so much
Happy
for
New Year.
watching again. Until the next time. Bye 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 bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.